Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a text with gradient fill, just like this, in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I just add a new page and add a heading, Canva. Let's increase the size a bit and duplicating it another second one. Teacher is a bit too big. Just reducing the size, and actually I'm going to change the font to something a bit more bold to make it more visible. Okay, and also this one might be with this Gagan. The Gagan is good, so now in this case I can increase the size like this, position, center, and also the Canva to the center, and just moving it a bit down. Yes. Okay, now we have two main options, and of course I will show you both. So start with the Canva, this one, go into the text color, scrolling down. Here we can find default gradient colors, see all, and we just need to choose the one what we would like to use from this default gradients. Those are already nice, but if you would like a bit more unique and actually would like to match with your brand colors or some other resources or something like something in the image, this is also doable. We don't need to use this default, we can create our own. So I just selecting the second text, going to the text color again, and here click on the add new color, and here we're changing from solid color to gradient. As you can see, it's already black and gray, but I would like to change to something different. Again, I use this red, and the other one changing to yellow like this, and add one more, again going into the red. As you can see, it's now that's really unique. This is what I want. Even we can add more colors if we need, like to make more colorful, or we can change the tone a bit. Like if I add more like this red, you can see the yellow part is just here, because those also gradient but with the same color, so it's not a real gradient, but the Canva thinks this is also a gradient. But we also can change the style. Which is also a funny thing. Like this is also just the top. And even if you just change the, okay, in this case it's not really. What's happened if you move it to the middle, to the left, and then really to the left, it's moving already out. So like to here. So that's a really cool way to make your text even unique. Then we can create our own gradients. It's also really cool stuff to really, if you really would like to match text with your like brand colors or like product color, or and like some elements in the image. So this is how it works. Hope so was helpful. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comment in the comment section. First of all, to feed the algorithm. So let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And of course, if you have any question about Canva or struggling anything in Canva, just let me know in the comment section. I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find the links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page. And of course, in the TikTok and Instagram pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.